Tired of old school marketing tactics? Forget outdated email.
Hello, my dear viewers. Hello, my dear viewers. I see that there is a lot of noise here. Uh, I'll just try to reduce this noise first, and then we can proceed. Yeah, now it's much better. All right. So thank you, dear friends, for joining this live stream. This is Forex Trading with Rakesh on your favorite channel, YouTube webinars of Dukascopy. Okay, the name is Dukascopy webinars. Um, I'm doing this webinar from last 1 year, more than 1 year, and we have been doing great. We have a few followers now, and I think they are already into it. They have a hype, not that hype, what you call it, they have a hang of it, how we do trading and how we analyze the markets. But for those who are not aware of me, I am Lucas Copy is the trading community member. That is a community of traders which is there in the Dukas Copy from a very long time. I love Dukas Copy. I'm not gonna lie about it. I do not trade with any other trader other than Dukas Copy right now, because they are the best. I think that they are the best. If there is anyone who is better than them, I have not encountered that in the last 16 years of my trading. That's it. And okay, this is not paid promotion or something. I'm not a employee of Lucas Copy. I'm an independent trader and an analyst. Therefore, whatever I am going to tell you here in this live stream, it has nothing to do with the bank. All the views or the trading ideas that I'm going to discuss here, they are of my own. And so that's it about me. And what we are going to do here in the next few minutes, we are going to find out the key levels for all the major currency pairs, and also we'll see how we can use those key levels into our trading. Although we had pointed out a few levels, and let us see whether we have witnessed those levels in the market today or not. Okay, and how the market has reacted to those levels today. Okay. Before I take you to my charts, let me take you through this standard risk disclaimer. It is very essential. So please understand the risk that is involved in the currency trading, because this is a market which is traded on margin, and most of the traders end up in losses. I mean, they actually blow up their accounts. So be careful, understand these risks, and then only proceed with the charts. Before I take you to my chart, let me show you that this is not a trading advice. This is just this webinar is only for information, or to let you know how to own up your skills before you put your money on the line. You have to do your own analysis. That's the bottom line. So first things first, this is the US dollar index right now on your screen. And if you like this type of charts, like red and green with the black or dark blue surface, let me know. Otherwise, what we can do is we can actually customize this right from here. Axis, bid label, background, axis panel background. So common background, this is what it is right now. So you want something else, you can take it. I will say this one should be my background. This is much better, don't you think so? So yes, can we save this? I don't know. Can I save this? No, I cannot. Yeah, custom theme. All right, so friends, are you still there? I don't think anybody here already. So let's talk a bit, guys. I don't know what I'm talking even today, but I really wanted to show you this dollar index. We had a very clean close yesterday below the crucial level of these lows actually, and also this 104.66. There was convincingly good close this week below that, and we were expecting the price to actually go to 104.66 area where we were expecting the resistance. But also notice that on the left side, these are the lows which are now acting as a resistance. I'm just showing you my cross here. When I keep it here, you will understand that these highs, sorry, these lows and these highs are now acting as a resistance, and that's good. Okay, that's good. But will they be able to find enough number of sellers to push the prices to 102.84? Well, we are not sure about that yet, but if we switch to the 4 hours, we will have an answer to the question. Because when you create a channel by joining these highs, you will see that these 4 hours are trying to cut below, and maybe very soon the price is going to test the 102.84 in this market. So my bias on this is bullish. All right, euro, is something happening in euro? Yes, 1.0945. We have already, I think, mentioned this number before in the market, like maybe yesterday or so, that this is going to be the target. Now we take it blue red on, this is what we were expecting, and then in the common we said background we need is black. Yes, this is good, this is clean. All right, so this is the thing, guys. 1.0945 is, I think, the next level of resistance that we should be keeping an eye on. Up here you may find some pullback, like when the price goes here it may come back like this, but even then I will be saying that pullback may be limited, because upside is what I'm expecting in this market, and I'm targeting 1.1275 in this market in the long run. All right, but this doesn't look good, so we plan it like this. Okay, something like this is possible in this market. All right, so let's keep this on our chart so that we come to know about this in the next week, how the things unfold. All right, so for resistance, 1.0945 on the upside is resistance. The support may be provided by this area of 1.0756 for the euro. Something similar is happening in the pound. 1.2547 on the upside is the resistance. The support is around 1.2186. Now you might be thinking that in between these two areas there is no support. No, the previous broken high generally tends to act as support. Can you see this? If you drop something like what you call, I think a line will be cutting somewhere here. Okay, I'm just dropping it for you. If you drop these lines, you will see that it was cutting here, and after that, okay, boom, boom, boom. So I'm not keeping this line so that you don't get confused with the lines. But yes, these highs are acting as a good resistance, pushing the prices lower, but these highs are acting as support now, and they are able to push the prices high again. Although this is a green candle on the daily, but it is still an inside bar. Here it looks like that at lower prices there are buyers. They are trying to push the prices higher, at least on the 4 hours. Okay, sooner or later I think we are going to test 1.2547 in this market. Looking at this price action, it seems like first it seems like that this is a swing low, but then eventually the price comes down, takes out the swing low, and then there is sudden buying. So something is cooking, guys, here, and that is cooking to the buyers side. I mean, the buyers are very aggressive at this area of 1.2375 area. So yes, the prices are going to test these highs. These are around these highs are around 1.2505, but later on we can also expect 1.2547 in this market. Guys, if you have any question, please feel free to let me know in the chat box that is provided. You are watching me live. There is no delay whatsoever between you watching this video and me saying the word out of my mouth. All right, so the Australian dollar is on the similar lines like the US dollar, sorry, euro, and the pound is also in an uptrend, at least on the daily now. we have a resistance around 0.6616, above which this market will again turn into an uptrend on the weekly. So this is a weekly swing. If you switch to weekly, yesterday only we have noticed this swing high of 0.6616. This is the lowest high that the price made before making this lower low. So you see the price made this low, then it made this high, and then it made this low. So this is the high that the price made, and we are actually looking for this to break to for us to become buyers in this market on the weekly. New Zealand dollar also is making higher highs and higher lows on the daily. It looks like it is trying to make a head and shoulder now. Shoulder, head, and shoulder. This is possible, guys. 0.6055 is the ultimate resistance. The support is lying at around 0.58615. US dollar against the yen. We have made our marks here, 149.18. Now, yesterday only we have discussed this level. See, I don't want to boast about it, but this is my level yesterday, 149.18, and the price has made an intraday low around 149.196. I think that is much close. So we have buyers here, but I think that buyers will be overpowered when the price reaches at these lows around 150.05. So my intuition is saying that the price will go back maybe towards this area here and then eventually break lower. This is what I am expecting. But what the market will say tomorrow, then I mean tomorrow means next week, that we will see. But from here it looks like that these buyers who bought from 149.18 to all the way up to this high of 151.90, they will be out of the market very soon, or maybe they are already out of the market and have put their short on in the market. But anyways, we are not selling this market till the time the price is trading above 149.18. This is because of the market structure, and when this market structure breaks to the downside, we will start looking for selling opportunity. That is, we will see if the price retraces back to this area to find it as a fresh resistance. If it does, then we will sell this market. But before we go further, I want to turn the background into black and change this to this, oh sorry, green, red, or dark blue, and then common background. Boom. Okay, this is good, right? So this is what I'm expecting, guys, on the USD/JPY. Dollar against the Swiss franc. Well, down move is anticipated. Any up move from 0.8552 upside from this channel will be seen as a buying opportunity. This is what my intuition and my price action is suggesting. Although the price is making lower highs and lower lows on the daily, but till the time the price is trading above 0.8552, you can always be looking for buying opportunities in this market. All right, USD against the Canadian dollar. Very fine. It is consolidating. The price is making higher highs and not higher lows, because this high has not overpowered this high. So this is not a valid low. Where is the valid low then? Valid low is around 1.3568. If this breaks, we become seller. If this doesn't break, we will be looking for a buying opportunity. But this is a sort of consolidation, or the price is churning. I will say the price is churning. We never know whether the price is going to go up or the price is going to go down. We don't know. So we stay away from this market and wait for the breakout. Pound against Australian, we are looking for a breakdown to the downside. 1.8850 is a very crucial level below which I will be selling this market happily. Above this, I'm not buying because my bias is a kind of bearish bias on the Great Britain pound. On the upside, I'm looking for a resistance around 1.9968, and the support I think is 1.8850, below which I'm willing to put my money on the line. Okay, gold finally hit the resistance. I think I have mentioned this area yesterday. If somebody remembers, that this is an area where you should be looking for a selling opportunity. If you can't see this selling opportunity, then what you will be looking at, I don't know. So this is exactly a very good opportunity. If you want to sell, you sell very close to the levels, high stop loss here, and you can target 1953 and even further, but this is right now what it is. All right, guys, that's all from my side. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me those questions. The major currency pairs are over. If you have any particular currency that you want me to have a look at, please let me know in the chat, or I'll wish you a happy weekend. All right, guys, I don't see any question here, so thank you very much for your time. Before I turn off this live stream, let me remind you that please do not risk your entire capital on any single trade, and risk only less than 1%, and please look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you are going to take. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this webinar useful for you. You can also leave your suggestions in the comment section and consider subscribing to this channel for more such webinars. Have a good day, good weekend. Bye bye. Thank you for being here once again. See you on Monday at 1700 GMT. Till then, bye bye. Take care.